type.
You mount the edges because when you cut the woven mat, it will fray. So we just mount the edges just a little. We'll do the top end here. We've been working hard getting this woven mat down here in each of the beds. Because we have these curves, we're cutting the mat into sections, cutting and overlapping to follow the curve, because otherwise there'd be a lot of wrinkles in it. At each spot, we're melting every single cut to make sure it doesn't unravel. But it's coming along. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 beds done here. It's looking good. We got all the landscape fabric down on all 6 beds. We had to cut multiple times because of the curves, but we're really happy with how it turned out. We're getting the sod watered here. Keep it alive for our little walkway. And now we just wait to see if our lavender cuttings grow into plants. I'm gonna go over here to the garden and check them out. Hopefully over the next 2 months, they'll get big enough to plant, we hope. We also finished the 2 beds here around the garden. They'll be for 2 other varieties of lavender. We're gonna do an English variety called Phenomenal, and then an English variety called Heed Coat. And then these 6 big beds will be for an English variety called Munstead. If all goes according to plan, we'll see. Again, pumpkins looking great. And the lavender cuttings are looking good too. All right, well, we'll keep you updated on this project. We'll see if we can't get a beautiful lavender garden going here. All right, thanks for stopping by, guys. We'll see you next time.